Listen up everyone, Mancora B Studio, Lost 10, featuring Tim McQuaig, Nagby, and listen up everyone.
The Melway and Kai, who all the Asinara, the Aroa Kiri, Yoya Meraki, Yanipe, a one Tara and Kai, a Aki Kona Pai, a Koaki, oh, a Kikena, Kemeraki, no way it's a home. Narairo, the Melweta Yakawasi Narairo, the Melweta Yakawasi Narairo, the Melweta Yakawasi Narairo. Let's go. The Mimo and Tangira. Oko takuna koina, bako pontangiri amena no mai ondake teko awa. Ngara tanirana, ako ana. Eriki tangi na koi patanga kamera kakindi kina no. No it's a home. Yakawasi Narairo. The Melweta Yakawasi Narairo, the Melweta Yakawasi Narairo, the Melweta Yakawasi Narairo.
Let me take it from here. You gotta feel better, you makes me go mad. When they see you bleeding mom, as the drum, rubber bomb bomb, rubber bomb bomb. No. Those are beating the second and kicking this over your head and it's right here, right there. Those will be your enemy. If I'm like a music, some may not know that, some may not know that, but oh, it's a beautiful song, man. Please, Daddy, don't hit my name, man.
No way it's a home. Yakawasi Narairo.
Stop hitting my man.
Yakawasi Narairo. No way it's a home. Yakawasi Narairo. No way it's a Yakawasi Narairo. It's a home.